Affiliate marketing in Kenya is one of the easiest ways to start making money online without needing a big investment. Many people are now using their phones, laptops, and internet connection to build income streams from home. What makes it even better is that you do not need to create your own product. You simply promote products or services and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you have earned money while you were sleeping. This is what attracts many people to affiliate marketing, but it is important to understand that this does not happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience. If you are willing to learn and stay consistent, affiliate marketing can grow into a steady source of income. In Kenya, the growth of online shopping and digital services has created a strong opportunity for affiliate marketers. Many companies are now offering affiliate programs, and payments are becoming easier through mobile money and bank transfers. This means that even beginners can start and earn without too many complications. To begin, you need to understand how affiliate marketing works in a simple way. First, you join an affiliate program. Then you receive a special link that tracks your referrals. When you share that link and someone clicks on it and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The commission can range from a few shillings to thousands of shillings, depending on the product. For example, if you promote a smartphone worth 20,000 Kenyan shillings and the commission rate is 5%, you earn 1,000 Kenyan shillings for every sale. If you make 10 sales in a month, that is 10,000 Kenyan shillings. As you grow, these numbers can increase significantly. Choosing the right niche is one of the most important steps. A niche is simply the topic or area you focus on. Some popular niches in Kenya include technology, personal finance, education, health, and agriculture. It is always better to choose a niche that you are interested in. This makes it easier to create content and stay consistent. For instance, if you enjoy talking about phones and gadgets, you can focus on reviewing smartphones, comparing features, and recommending the best options within different budgets. People are always searching for this kind of information before they buy, which creates an opportunity for you to earn commissions. After choosing your niche, the next step is to join affiliate programs that accept Kenyan users. There are both local and international options. Some local platforms allow payments through mobile money, which is very convenient. International programs may pay in dollars, which can be withdrawn through bank accounts or online payment systems. Once you join a program, you need a platform where you will share your affiliate links. This is where many beginners feel confused, but the truth is you have several simple options. You can start a blog, use social media, or even use messaging platforms like WhatsApp. A blog is one of the best long-term options. It allows you to write detailed content that can rank on search engines. For example, you can write articles like "Best laptops under 50,000 Kenyan shillings" or "Top smartphones in Kenya this year." When people search for these topics, they can find your blog and click on your links. Starting a blog does not have to be expensive. With about 3,000 Kenyan shillings per year, you can get a domain name and hosting. This is a small investment compared to the potential returns. Over time, your blog can become a powerful asset that brings in consistent traffic. Social media is another strong option, especially for beginners. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook allow you to reach a large audience quickly. You can create short videos showing products, sharing tips, or explaining how something works. If your content is engaging, people will follow you and trust your recommendations. WhatsApp is also widely used in Kenya and can be very effective. You can create a broadcast list or a group where you share deals, offers, and useful information. Since people already trust messages from their contacts, this method can lead to higher conversions. Content creation is at the heart of affiliate marketing. Without good content, it is very hard to succeed. Your goal should be to help people make decisions. Instead of just posting links, you should explain why a product is useful, how it works, and who it is best for. For example, instead of saying "buy this phone," you can explain the features, compare it with other options, and mention both the advantages and disadvantages. This builds trust with your audience. When people trust you, they are more likely to buy through your links. Another important aspect is learning basic search engine optimization. This simply means making your content easy to find on search engines. You can do this by using the right keywords, writing clear titles, and providing helpful information. Over time, your content can start appearing on search results, bringing free traffic to your platform. Traffic is what drives your earnings. Without people seeing your content, you cannot make sales. This is why you need to focus on growing your audience. You can do this through consistent posting, engaging with your followers, and sharing valuable information. It is also important to track your performance. Most affiliate programs provide dashboards where you can see how many clicks and sales you are getting. This helps you understand what is working and what is not. If a certain type of content is performing well, you can create more of it. When it comes to earnings, it is good to have realistic expectations. In the beginning, you may earn very little or even nothing. This is normal. Many beginners take a few months before they see their first income. With consistency, your earnings can grow steadily. In the first 3 months, you might earn between 2,000 and 10,000 Kenyan shillings. As you gain experience and build an audience, this can increase to 20,000 or even 60,000 Kenyan shillings per month. With time and effort, some people earn over 100,000 Kenyan shillings monthly. However, it is important to avoid common mistakes. One mistake is promoting too many products without focus. This can confuse your audience. Another mistake is spamming links without providing value. People do not like being sold to all the time. They prefer helpful and honest recommendations. Giving up too early is another common problem. Affiliate marketing requires patience. Results do not come immediately, but they do come if you stay consistent. Think of it as building a business, not a quick way to make money. To succeed faster, focus on building trust. Share your honest opinions and experiences. If a product is not good, say so. This honesty will make people respect your recommendations. Also, try to solve real problems. The more useful your content is, the more people will follow you. Consistency is key. Even if you can only post a few times a week, make sure you do it regularly. Over time, these small efforts add up. You can also learn new skills like writing, video editing, and basic marketing to improve your content. Starting an email list is another smart move. This allows you to communicate directly with your audience. You can share tips, updates, and offers without depending on social media algorithms. An email list is a valuable asset that you own. Affiliate marketing in Kenya is not just for tech experts. Anyone can start, whether you are a student, employed, or running a small business. All you need is willingness to learn and the discipline to keep going. As you begin your journey, remember that every expert was once a beginner. Do not be afraid to start small. Choose a niche, join a program, and create your first piece of content. It does not have to be perfect. What matters is that you take action. Over time, you will learn what works and what does not. You will improve your skills and grow your audience. With patience and effort, affiliate marketing can become a reliable source of income and even a full-time business. The opportunity is real and the tools are available. The only thing left is for you to take the first step and stay committed to the process.